Hey friends, it's Suzanne Mosley with Usborne Books and More. You can find me on Facebook at Suzanne Shares Usborne Books. You can find me on YouTube at the same spot. So today I wanted to share with you some resources that you can use in your home with your children to teach them about famous artists. Okay, first up is the Usborne Art Treasury. This is one of my all-time favorite books. It combines kids' love of crafting, drawing, and making art with an introduction to some famous artists. The way the book is laid out, it introduces the artist, like this is The Starry Night by Van Gogh, tells you a little bit about him, and then your child gets to make a similar art creation based on that famous artist. So some of the artists in the book are Van Gogh, Picasso, Rousseau, Matisse, Monet, Kandinsky, Pollock, Degas, Georgia O'Keeffe, so many more. And so just a little jaunt through this to see how it works. What I really enjoy as a parent is that these projects are step by step. So it's a process. It's not just like, hey, here it is. This is what Jackson Pollock did. Now go create it. It gives your child and you a step-by-step way to work through that project. So this is Art Treasury. And then my other favorite resource is Usborne Famous Paintings. This is a set of 50 flashcards, and there literally are 50 famous paintings that your child will be exposed to and introduced to as you work through these sets. So you could easily in a school year do one per week. You could do a study over a month and do a couple every day. So this is Degas. The other cool thing that I enjoy about these, you're not just looking at the painting with them, you're also teaching them about the artist who painted it, when he painted it, where you can now see it displayed. And then the other cool thing, it helps them attend to the painting. Look for Degas' smudgy style. He called it drying with color. And then did you know there's always a little fact. So I would ask my boys, hey, it talks about his smudgy style. Where do you see in this famous painting, where do you see he used that smudgy style? So it's a cool way to introduce them to famous paintings and also talk about that artist and different. This is Kandinsky. I'm going to talk about abstract art. So just a gentle way to introduce your children to classic art, classic fine arts, and in a way that will be fun and enjoyable for them. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can contact me on Facebook, Suzanne Shares Usborne Books, or you're welcome to snag either one of these on my website, SuzanneSharesUsborneBooks.com. Thanks so much, friends.